You've arrived at your destination.
Hi guys! Good morning! So today it's December 16 and it's our day 5 here in Bali, Indonesia. And we decided na mag-tour today since wala naman kaming ibang agenda. Because yung mga pupuntahan namin today and tomorrow is mga first time lang namin. So yeah! And I'm here at balcony. So ang ganda ng view dito guys. Ang ganda ng morning. Guys, good morning. So we're going to temple. Let's see. Guys, so we're here at Uluwatu Temple with our friends. There. Ate.
Gangstar.
Baka tatakbo niya.
Glasses, temple, monkey dress. Okay, you need guide.
Guys, sobrang ganda dito. Excuse me. Ang ganda niya. Nakakaganda. So beautiful here in Bali. And I think ito yung pinababalik-balikan mo talaga. Ang sarap din ng mga foods nila.
Huwag ba pang ilo? Huwag na umuha ng sombrero.
Ayun. Hi guys, so we're done na sa Aluwali. Aluwali Temple. Aluwali Temple.
Narago.
Nakakapagod ang init. And then, doon naman sa pinuntahan namin na nakakatakot ang daming mga
Mga ano sila ng mga gamit.
How many you want? Ano ba? Only one. 30.
Hi guys, so we're here at Mali. We're eating lunch. Hi guys, so we're here at Mali. I ordered mango smoothie and
Vitamin C.
detox tayo. Detox yun. Mango platter. Hi guys! So we're here at Melasti Beach and this is the second beach na pinuntahan namin today. And yeah. I'm so excited! Ang ganda dito and ang ganda ng sun. Hi guys! So we're here at Melasti Beach and it's already 2 p.m. na here in Bali and sobrang ganda dito guys. Ang init lang pero sobrang ganda and ang ganda rin sana in beach and can't wait po makita yung mga ibang beach here in Bali. So, I'm so excited! As a beach girly talaga sobrang gusto ko talaga yung mga beaches kahit dyan sa Pilipinas guys. So, I love beach. Papaitim na naman tayo guys and I know na it's worth it na magpaitim dahil nandito tayo sa Bali since nauwi na rin ako sa medyo naglighten na kasi yung skin ko so I decided na magpaitim naman.
from the Bukit is okay. The hill.
Oh, gusto ko na
Yeah, cruise. Cruise the point.
You want to take a picture?
Hi to my vlog.
Because the board is really hard.
No, only once. Only today. We're going home. Tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow night.
This mo, you present. Present, yeah.
No, it's okay.
It's here.
It's okay. Thank you so much. Hi guys, so we're here at Nusa Dua Bali, and I'm buying coconut because ihaw na ako. And by the way, meron din sila dito mga shops, bilihan ng clothes. Again, sir. What again?
Putang ina mo. Eh, putang ina mo.
Freddy. Pak. Mga surfer. I stay here mag-isa lang cause yung mga friends ko is nag-surfing. And then yung iba kong friends and si Ate and Kuya JC is na-block na sila sa car. Nagsisave ng energy for later sa Pims. And yeah, I'm so happy guys cause I'm here in Bali. It's my first time here. And sobrang itong place na to is for sure na babalik-balikan ko talaga. And ang ganda talaga ng mga beach nila and tourist spots. So, I wanna cry kasi minamanifest ko lang na pumunta dito and ang dami ko lang nakikita sa vlogs and then sa mga reels na nandito sa Bali. Now, today, for 7 days is nandito kami and hindi ko akalain na pupunta kami. Na mapupuntahan ko siya this year. So, I'm so happy and thankful. Thank you Lord dahil nakapunta tayo. So, thank you rin sa Ate and Kuya JC cause dahil sa kanila nakapunta rin ako dito sa Bali. Yes, I'm so happy. I'm here at Bali, guys. Sobrang minamanifest ko lang talaga. And this year, this 2025, before year end, and ano, ang dami ko natutunan, ang daming lesson, and ang daming realization na pumapasok sa isip ko. And then, sana next year, it's my winning year na. And this year, ang dami ko rin talagang mga silent battles na pinagdaanan. And I hope next year, it's gonna be my winning year. And thank you, Lord. Sana may lang ako ng coconut for my dreams. Me enjoying beach view.
Alicia.
Decided na mag-surfing since 1 hour pa sila magsusurfing doon. So yeah, let's try again. Actually, nakapag-surfing na ako sa LUN, Quezon. So let's go. is Heritage Casino. And let's see. We're so tired dahil nag-surfing kami kanina. Morning guys, so we are on the way to Nuesa Penida. And then next, it's already 6:30 in the morning pa lang. And ang aga namin guys, kasi mag-ride pa kami ng boat. So, see you there.
How much?
100,000.
Hi guys, good morning. So we're here at Harbor of Nusa Penida and we're going to Nusa Penida. Then nag-order lang ng ticket sila ate and nag-order lang din ng breakfast. Iba namin friends and yeah. We're looking for our food na pwede namin kainin. Gusto namin rice. Sobrang aga namin tulis guys. Can I order burger and then
I will
watermelon?
order sandwich. One sandwich, one burger. Anong ano mo?
Watermelon.
Watermelon and my... Wait, okay.
Finally got our order.
Ganyan
I
tayo.
order burger and then sandwich. Then what's this?
Milo.
Milo and then
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Terima kasih.
Sama.
Sama-sama.
Thank you.
Hi guys, good morning. So we're here at Lincoln Beach. And it's already 10 a.m. na. Finally, we are here at Nusa Penida. 1 hour ride. Galing Bali. So, in Bali and it's already afternoon. Hi guys, so we're here at Diamond Beach with our tour guide.
Go in Nusa Penida. Come on.
Putangin na mo.
People Philippine go Nusa Penida.
Yes. So if you want to book them, book page.
Okay, Nusa Penida Tour.
Okay, Nusa Penida tour best.
She's scared. I'm not. I'm a brave woman. I'm a strong, independent woman.
Sobrang ganda dito. Sobrang ganda dito sa Diamond Beach. Nakakaiyak. Tinitignan ko lang to sa reels dati and sa mga TikTok. Now I'm here. Let's see. Shadows to see. Pinapangarap ko na to, guys. Now we are here. Dito naman.
Okay.
Hi guys, so we're going back to Bali, Indonesia. And we're done swimming sa Diamond Beach. Hi guys, so we're going back to Bali after Nusa Penida. Hi guys, so we are just waiting for a crowd going to Beans. Finally, magpupunta na kami dito.
It's just a little.
Hi guys, good evening. So we're here at Beans again with my sister and friend. Hello! Hi guys! Enjoy the water! Guys, good evening. So we're here at Beans again and again.
Bali trip. And nakaka-start ko tomorrow. Uwi na kami ng Philippines. Ang sarap! Hindi niya mapindot.
Enjoy your taco, yeah? Thank you, brother.
Last night here in Bali!
Yeah!
Let's go! Let's go, Bali!
May bantay si ate. Feeding time! Ate! I love you, sister! I love you so much. Nagbihalak tayo eh! Wala tayo! Pwede! Ate! Ang lamig after swimming. Guys, so we're going home na. After 7 days here in Bali. Let's go. Bye, Villa Bodas. See you next year. To our villa. Thank you so much, Villa Bodas.
Thank you so much.
Hi guys, good morning. So we're here at airport and we're going back to the Philippines. 7 days namin dito sa Bali and sobrang saya. Kasi
Bilis ng patalo. Pero, parang ang tagal natin dito, boy.
bye Bali! See you next time! And ito for sure na ito nga din ito ibabalik-balikan ko kasi ang ganda ng mga beach nila. And marami pa kaming hindi na visit na place, tourist spot here in Bali. So, sana makabalik tayo next time.
Mas mura.
Ate, hi guys! Going back to the Philippines. Again next time, Bali.